Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be setting up for the month of May in my Frankenplanner. So this here is my Frankenplanner. I keep my catch-all, my journal, my daily pages and social media in here, and I'm going to add a budget lineup to it, or budget sheets to it as well. So what I normally do, and I will open it up, is I keep the first section will be my catch-all. So that's a catch-all for this week, and I usually keep 2 months in here. So I'll have April, and then I already have May in there, and then it'll go on to my daily section. I like to keep the two in there because I like to, if anything's happening in May, if anything is happening, finding it hard to talk today. If anything is happening or anything comes up in May, I can stick a sticky note in here to remind me when I go to decorate it that there's something going on. So that's the reason why I keep the 2 months in here. So what we'll be doing today is, and I did think that, and I might try it this month and see how it goes, that I'm actually going to add the 3 months in here and have like April, May and June in here, just to have the past month, the present month, and then a future month, so I can go back to the past month without having to dig into my other planners. But that depends on how thick it gets, because I've only got the gold, medium-sized discs. I haven't got the big expander discs. I've got expander discs in plastic, but I'm not a plastic disc girl, so we'll see how it goes. So what I might do is, since we haven't actually finished with April yet, and we're still on, actually it's Friday the 29th I'm filming this, so we're still actually doing April, I will leave May's in there. This is for my catch-all, and I will add in my June. I'll be able to see then if everything will fit in here. So that's my June for my catch-all. Now, I have been using various different planners. I think this one came from the Archetype book. I know that Archetype was... I really can't remember. It was so long ago I bought these, and I've just really been picking bits and pieces out of books that I've got, old planners that I've got. So I'm going to be glad to start on my new ones in July, so I know what I'm doing and everything matches, and I know where things go back in. So, all right. So anyway, then we hit my daily section. And so what I was doing was I was going in here, and I was just was making up a sheet for every day. So I went really well 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, and then I haven't done one until today when I needed to do one. So what I decided to do, instead of making, because this was a different day in April, I've just whited over. So instead of making, and you might see up on the channel previous video, instead of making them dated, I've just put them in here as undated. So I've got 4 undated ones in there already. Okay, and then I will just add more undated as I go. So that's fine as that is. So then we come to my my journal section. So this is a vertical planner as well. So I'm going to take that one off. Yeah, so I've already done the month of May in here, so I did that. And I've already started doing some in May, so I'm going to add June to this one as well, just to see how it goes. So I'll have the current, the past, present, current, and then at the end of May, what I'll then do is move April out and move July into these ones. So that's the plan. Let's just see if it happens. Okay, so now we come to my social media planner, And this one I have changed it up a bit. Instead of using, and you haven't seen this video yet, but you will. Instead of using a catch-all, I've decided that I'm going to use a monthly. I'll give you a quick peek, but I'm going to use a monthly. So I've already got May in there, and I think I will just keep the month of May in there. I don't think I'll put the June in. So that hopefully will then leave me, I've got some pages in there in the back that I can take out. Hopefully that will leave me enough room in here then to add in budget. I'll put in for budget. But all I want to really put in for the budget, and I'll bring my budget book over, is I want to bring in here just the month of May, because yeah, I don't need it for any previous months or any months going forward. So I'm just going to bring in the May. I haven't done anything in here yet. Still contemplating whether I will make a video on how I do this. I don't know if I want to show my finances on YouTube or all over the internet. I haven't thought of that yet, and I haven't thought of a way of doing that without showing you guys everything. So if that's something you want to see, if you do want to see a budgeting video and me and how I want to, or how I'm going to fill out these pages, let me know in the comments below, and yeah, I can have a look and see if that's something that I want to do. So hopefully this will close now and won't be too thick. I think that fits quite well. It will get a little bit more bulky with stickers in there. I will take out some of these April Day ones that are finished. I can actually take those out, so I can make some room in there. So I don't think that's too bad. I think that's actually quite good. So I wasn't quite sure if I was going to switch from the gold disc to these discs. Now, I don't know if I would rather those, or if I would rather with the cover, or if I would rather the gold. The gold sets it off a bit, but I don't know, I think the black would look sophisticated as well. So comment in the comments below whether you would prefer the gold ones or the black ones. So yeah, I'm in two minds of whether I want to or not go through the whole rigmarole of ripping my whole planner apart and then putting the discs in, then to find out that I really don't like it and have to redo it all again. So yeah, well, that was a nice short sweet video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, can you please give it a thumbs up? Also, if you haven't subscribed already, can you please subscribe? And thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you later. Bye.